Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is how to take care of dry cough and sore throat. Sometimes people will be having this problem of dry cough and also sore throat, or sometimes your throat will be itching you. So these are the result of maybe an infection of the throat or maybe natural cough. So today I'm gonna show you the remedy how to take care of dry cough. Especially dry cough always disturb in the night. At the daytime you may not have any symptom of it, but in the night it started disturbing you. So first of all, we have this item here. This is scent leaf. In Igbo language they call it nchang. Scent leaf are multi-purpose vegetable. It's used for, it's an edible vegetable and it's also very scenty. That's why the name is called scent leaf. So they use it as pepper soup spice. It brings aroma in pepper soup. They also use it for cooking ofe akwu, that is pan kernel and pan fruit stew. In Igbo language they call it ofe akwu. They also use it to do isi ewu, that is they also use it to nkobi. Also use it, in fact they use it to cook many things, to spice, to bring a very good aroma in native food. So scent leaf are very medicinal. It has a very good medicinal properties, which including the ones I'm going to show you today. We're gonna use it for today, not for cooking, but just for to cure and to get rid of sore throat and also dry cough. So now I'm just washing it because I want to remove the dirties on it. Probably remove the sand. So first of all, before you use any vegetable, make sure you wash it very well. Wash it very properly, because we are not going to cook it, except the ones you are going to cook. That's the one you can minorly, you may not be pay more attention of washing it properly. But in this very case, you can see how I've been washing it since. So I want to make sure that it's safe from dirty, from contamination of any pesticide or whatever they use in the farm to preserve it. So very important, you need to wash it properly, very properly. It's not a cook, you are not going to cook it, unlike when you want to use it for pepper soup, you have to cook it. For this one, I'm going to use it raw. So firstly, it has been washed properly. So what I'm going to do is to squeeze it. Now this is scent leaf, one of the items we have here. What we have here,
try this thing before you squeeze am. You go put am like now for this leaf now. You comot like two.
so we have natural honey. This is natural honey, that is, you can see the wax is together with it. So let me open it so I can see how natural honey look like. Mind you, this treatment required natural honey, not all this refined mixed honey. Go to your village or source it locally, get it directly from the local. So this is natural honey. You can see the wax together, it's not yet separated. So now I'm gonna use this spoon to get the honey. We need natural honey. This is, I want to drain it to get, you can see the honey, see the wax. So I repeat, you use natural honey, don't use refined honey. Natural honey, source natural honey locally, you get it. Go to local market, you get natural honey. Now the next thing to do is to squeeze this scent leaf, which is called Nchang in Igbo language. If you have blender, you can use their blender to blend it. So this is how we do it locally to squeeze out the juice. Now we drain, we filter it. After you filter it, you mix it this way. Remember, this is the mixture of scent leaf and natural honey. Anybody can take it, including small baby. There is no side effect, there is no problem giving it to your little baby that are having cough. This mixture is also good in curing stomach problem. If you have stomach pain, you can also drink this mixture. So remember, this is edible. So this is how the mixture come out. This is scent leaf. And this is the mixture. Just two items, the scent leaf and natural honey. This natural honey still have the wax together. So now for the treatment of sore throat and dry cough, you take this mixture morning and night. Especially dry cough always disturb in the night, so I would advise you to take this mixture. You can prepare it and keep it inside a tight container so that you can be taking it whenever the dry cough disturb in the night. So this is how to take it. So this is very nice. The mixture is very, very nice. Make sure you have it beside you in case cough always attack in the night unexpectedly. So with this mixture, you don't need to go for any of those pistol that is popularly or this orthodox type, you can make use of this whenever you have cough problem. Thank you for watching this video. Share to your friend. See you on my next video. Bye.